a quick introduction into IT going to year 9. So what we've got here is Knowledge Organiser. Now PowerPoint's one of the main programs we'll be using. So what I want you just to do is just have a look at this. This gives you some ideas about the different things that you can do in PowerPoint. So first of all, I just want to talk you through why is it important that we name our files correctly and we use folders. Okay, so what I want you to do is have a think about why is it important to use the correct file names and put things in the correct folder. Okay, so I'd like you to have a go at answering a question about why a file name is important, why is a folder important. Just to put into context, when we're at school, okay, you're going to have lots and lots of different files and lots of different folders for different subjects for the time at John Wilmot School. So why is it important that everything has the right file name and it's in the right folder? Okay. Next, what I'd like you to do is have a look at the main part of Knowledge Organiser, which is the PowerPoint interface. That gives us some key things to look at. What I'd like you to do is think about why it is important to have a slide master, what does it do? And I'd also like you, in your own words, describe what a transition is, why it's important, and why you might use it. I want you to explain in your own words what an animation is. Okay, I'd like you to explain what a handout is and give me an example of where a handout might be used. Okay, I'd also like you to explain what is meant by theme. I'd also like to explain what is used by quick style. Okay, and what I want you to do is have a go, think about planning your own presentation for something you're interested in. So what I'd like to do is do a design on a piece of paper for a presentation. It might be your own favourite football club, it might be your own favourite boy band. What I want you to do, just on one sheet of A4 paper, is actually design what you want your PowerPoint master to look like, and I want you to explain what information you put into that, and then I'd like you to explain why it would be good to use PowerPoint for this task. I'll leave that with you. Okay, thank you very much.